Everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the Love Spouse app and connect a device step by step. So first, I want you to download and open the Love Spouse app, and when you open it for the first time, you will need to sign in or create an account using one of the available options. After that, complete the basic profile setup. You can add a nickname, profile picture, birthday, and gender. There's also an option to use the app anonymously if you prefer. Once you finish setting everything up, you will be taken to the main screen when you can access sections like Home, Toys, Message, and Mine. Now, before connecting anything, go to the Toys section at the bottom of the screen and tap Bind Toy. The app may ask for Bluetooth permission, so tap Allow. Bluetooth needs to be turned on because this is how the app searches for and communicates with the device. You may also be asked to allow camera access, so go ahead and allow it. Then get the product manual or packaging box and look for the device identification code. From here, use your phone's camera to scan the code. If you are unable to scan it, you can also enter the device binding code manually. Once the code is accepted, follow the instructions shown on your screen, and the device should now be connected to the Love Spouse app. You can return to the toy section whenever you want to access it, while the other sections can be used to check the community, messages, friends, and your profile. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.